Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a look at how to use layers in Google Earth. Right now I'm in the default view of Google Earth, and we can come over here and we can rotate it, we can zoom in, we can zoom back out. However, if we look over here on the left side, there's a section called Layers, and underneath that there's a number of different options. Now right now I don't have any of these checked, so we're going to take a look at a few of these and see what they do. First, let's start with weather. I'm going to check the box here. And when I do that, it's going to bring up satellite imagery of clouds around the globe. And if we need to get rid of it, we can simply uncheck the box. Another option we have here is called Borders and Labels. When we click this one, we're going to start to see the outline of continents and countries around the world. And if we zoom in, we'll start to see the names of those countries. We'll start to see capitals, various locations labeled. And the closer we get, the more we'll see. And just like before, we can come over here and uncheck the box if we need to get rid of it. Another option we have available is called Ocean, and when we do this one, we're going to see a lot of different icons pop up here. Now if we don't know what each of these icons mean, we can come back over to Ocean, and we'll notice a little arrow next to it, so I'm going to click that. And now we have a key that's going to come down in this drop-down menu here. So for example, if I just want to look at shipwrecks, I can uncheck Ocean, check the box next to shipwrecks, and now I'm going to see these little ship icons pop up in the various bodies of water. So when we click on one, a box is going to pop up here. It's going to get information about that various event. So this, for example, this ship sunk January 21st, 1943 in the Mediterranean. And if I want to learn more about this event, I can click on Ship Details and it'll take me to an external resource. Another one under Ocean is called Dead Zones. And when we check this one, it's going to bring up this little fish icon. And on these, we're going to see various ecological and pollution issues that have happened in these bodies of water. Now we're going to uncheck Ocean. We're going to try another one. This time we're going to go with Photos. When we check Photos, we're going to see a lot of image boxes pop up here. And the closer that we zoom in, the more that we're going to see. So I'm just going to click on a random one here. And it's going to bring up an image that either an individual or an organization has posted online to go with that particular location. And of course we can close out of it. And we can try another one. And this is a nice way to get a different look at each of these locations around the world too. Another option we have that goes along with Photos is called Gallery. And when we check this one, we're going to see even more icons pop up. And there's going to be quite a few of them. So just like before under Ocean, we can come over here next to Gallery, click this little arrow, and now it's going to show us what each of these icons mean. So I see that the ones that say 360 are for 360 cities, which is a great website that shows panoramic views of different locations. So I'm going to click on this one here, and it's going to bring it up. And if I want to see this in a 360 view, I can go directly to the website. So I'm going to click on this link. And when this opens up, it's going to give the option to drag and drop here to get a 360 view. And of course, we can go back to our map here, and we can find another one. Let's try this one. And we'll click on it. It's going to take us back to 360 cities. And I can rotate the camera, just like before. And we can get a different view of that location too. If we come back to the map here, we can see under Gallery that we also have the option to look at earthquakes, trails, information posted by NASA, even volcanoes and webcams. So when you have some time, you can go through some of these layers here and see what's available to you and kind of play around a little bit. And as always, you can uncheck it, get rid of all that stuff, and then you have your default view of Google Earth again. And that's it.